And I'm JB2
And this is what we're doing in science today. Upload engine.
Now, here's all the stuff that we actually need to make a pulse jet engine. First thing you need
Is a drill that's very heavy.
Yeah. You drill a hole in the top of the jar with a tin lid. Use a jar with a tin lid. We're using a glass jar today because that way you can see it running inside. You also need a chisel and a hammer. Once you drill a hole, you pound this in there, it kind of tapers the hole or stretches it out. The hole size almost has everything to do with the way it's going to run. Because what it does, this is a controlled explosion. So it burns, it explodes out, and then creates a backdraft which pulls in more oxygen for it to fire again, and again, and again, and again. And you need a lighter, but most importantly, you need fuel.
RC car fuel is the best kind of fuel.
Yeah. You don't want to use gas. We used gas before. Gas is not good. Actually, we used 110 octane racing fuel and it ended badly. Anyway, some of the other things you might need is a straw. Sometimes this gets too much carbon monoxide in it.
And you need to evacuate it.
And you have to blow air in there to get the other stuff out.
Do not suck in.
Yes, sucking in bad. Blow out. You're only trying to get the air that's in the jar out of there, not by sucking in. It'll make you sick.
Yes.
Safety on the pulse jet engine. Don't let a glass pulse jet run too long. What'll happen?
It will cut right at the line of the fuel and pop off.
Yes.
And there will be gas and glass everywhere.
Aww.
When that fuel lights up, there's only one way to put it out. That's pretty much snuff it out or just let it burn. Do this outside. Don't do it inside.
Dad has done it many times.
Yeah.
So he did it inside.
You should never do this if you're just a kid. Only an adult, or at least someone
responsible.
The most important part with a pulse jet engine is getting the amount of fuel to the volume of the jar correct.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah. Woo! Woo! Nope. Oh. That one didn't work. It's not running. Ah! Getting the correct air to fuel mixture ratio is actually called
stoichiometry.
Yes, and if you get it right, it runs good. If you don't, you'll be here forever. And you have a running a running pulse jet engine.
Also, why is there orange/pink liquid on the table?
Because the orange part of the pink liquid is flammable.
Cool!